Hello, love, and welcome to the channel. You're wondering what exactly does meditation do? So let's jump right on into the topic. You may or may not know this, but meditation isn't new. It is a powerful tool that has been used for thousands of years to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. And while that is certainly a wonderful bit of history, the more important aspect of this ancient practice is what meditation can do for you, here and now. Meditation can help to calm the mind and reduce stress. When we meditate, we focus on the present moment and let go of any distracting thoughts or worries. Doing this helps reduce feelings of anxiety and promotes a sense of peace and relaxation. In addition to reducing stress, meditation can also help to improve focus and concentration. By training the mind to stay present, we can increase our ability to focus and avoid distractions so that we can be more productive towards the task at hand. Meditation has also been shown to improve overall emotional well-being. Regular meditation practice can help to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, improve mood, and increase feelings of self-awareness and self-compassion. But beyond the mental and emotional benefits, meditation can also have physical benefits. It has been shown to lower blood pressure, improve immune system function, and even reduce symptoms of chronic pain. Basically, meditation can do a lot for you. If you're a beginner, it's okay to start slowly. What's important is to find a style of meditation that works for you. With regular practice, you'll start to see the benefits of meditation in your life. For example, regular meditation practice can help to improve sleep. Insomnia is a common problem that affects millions of people worldwide, and it can have a serious impact on your physical and mental health. Meditation can help to relax the body and mind, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Meditation has also been shown to help with addiction. By promoting self-awareness and mindfulness, meditation can help to reduce cravings and increase the likelihood of successfully quitting a substance or eliminating a negative behavior. It can also help with the emotional and mental challenges that often accompany addiction recovery. In addition to addiction, meditation can also help with managing chronic pain. Chronic pain is a complex issue that can be difficult to treat, but meditation has been shown to be an effective complementary therapy. By focusing on the present moment and letting go of negative thoughts and emotions that we hold in the body, meditation can help with pain management and improve overall quality of life. Meditation can also help with cultivating compassion. By practicing loving kindness meditation, we can develop feelings of empathy towards ourselves and others. This can help to improve relationships and reduce feelings of isolation and loneliness. Finally, meditation can also help with spiritual growth and development. By connecting with our inner selves, we can develop a deeper understanding of our purpose and meaning in life. This can lead to a greater sense of fulfillment and overall happiness. So as you can see, meditation has many benefits. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve focus and concentration, or manage a chronic condition, meditation can be a powerful tool to help you achieve your goals. If you're new to meditation, it can be a little overwhelming at first, so here are some tips to help you get started. Number 1, start small. Begin with just a few minutes of meditation each day and gradually increase the length of your practice over time. It's better to meditate for a few minutes each day than to try to meditate for an hour and get discouraged. Number 2, find a comfortable position. You can meditate in a seated position or lying down, whatever is most comfortable for you. Just make sure that your spine is straight and you're not slouching. Number 3, focus on your breath. One of the easiest and most effective ways to meditate is to focus on your breath. Simply observe your breath as it moves in and out of your body, without trying to change it in any way. Number 4, let go of distractions. When you meditate, it's natural for your mind to wander, but it does not mean that you're doing it wrong. When this happens, simply acknowledge the thought and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Number 5, be patient. Meditation is a practice, and it takes time to develop, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Just keep practicing, and you'll start to see the benefits over time. Number 6, use guided meditations. If you're having trouble getting started, try using a guided meditation. There are many apps and websites that offer guided meditations for free, and they can be a great way to help you get started. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced meditator, incorporating meditation into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your life. Meditation is a personal practice, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. The most important thing is to find a style of meditation that works for you and to practice consistently. With time and patience, you'll start to experience the many benefits of meditation in your life. Remember to start small, find a comfortable position, focus on your breath, let go of distraction, be patient, and use guided meditations if needed. Again, with consistent practice, you'll begin to experience the many benefits in your life, and you'll be well on your way to a happier, healthier you. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best on your meditation journey. Be well.